Normally, we believe that two buildings having the same height, same floor area, same soil structure will cost the same if they have the same specifications of finish and things like that. But it's not true. Building cost may vary up to 100, 150, 200% depending upon the shape of the building. Let's take a building which is square, let's say 10 feet by 10 feet. It's 100 square feet, but its periphery is 10, 10, 10, 10, so 40 feet. Let's take another building which has got a shape of 50 by 2. It's also 100 feet, but its periphery is 50 plus 50 plus 2 plus 2, 104. Now 104 is 250% more than 40. Now if it is 250%, it will require 250% more bricks, and therefore the dead load of that building will go up by 250%, for which you need to have more stronger superstructure, which will cost you more. Since this building also have 250% more wall space, you require that much more plaster, that much more pre-paint treatment and painting, and it will also require more light because the requirement of light depends upon the wall surface and so on. So we can easily say that this building, which is 50 by 2, will cost at least 150 to 200% more than the building which is square, which is 10 by 10. Just by changing the shape of the building, we can reduce the cost. A square building is the very efficient compared to a rectangular building or a triangular building. But the cake is taken by a circular building. In circular building, you will see for the area of pi r square, the periphery is only 2 pi r, which is approximately 20% less than even a square building. But we don't see any circular building. We should make circular building because circular building gives us an option of having a circular office or a classroom. It's ideal for an educational institution because if you have a conical classroom, then you have a very nice vision of space. You have also a possibility of your voice getting amplified because of the conical walls, and you don't require an electronic voice enhancer. And also the corridor of this conical building is much less in square feet, serving a much larger square feet, so the area spent in the common space is much less in percentage wise than any other shape of the building. So such building will cost us less to make. So if you are making a building which is like a hotel or hospital or an educational institute, consider circular building because this is much better than even square building, and of course much better than a rectangular building, which normally we see when we see a school building or a hospital or a hotel.